Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, a show where we take 1 to 3 minutes to show you guys, well, sometimes 5 with Eric, but a couple minutes to show you guys exactly what comes in the box for the products that you guys are buying. This is for the retailers across the South that help and support Dow and everything we do. We like to have these opportunities to support you guys. So today I've got Eric with me as my co-host. Eric, what did you bring along?
Oh man, thanks Drew. I was going to line you up to do this part number over here, but looks like you're asking me what we're showing. So this is the Zuum HDBaseT 2.0 Balun, and it is part number here is the HE1L BIR 232-EP-2.0-70 meter.
They wanted to keep it very easy.
Super simple. It actually explains everything that goes on with this device, so now we don't have to do the rest of the video, which is fantastic. No, this is one of their premier HDMI Baluns, so we're super excited about this part. Looking forward to get into it. Probably really the only Balun you have to have on the truck at the end of the day.
Yeah, and it comes in a nice package, right? So if you do have a retail location, this will look really nice on the shelves. If you guys are putting them in your truck, again, very stackable, very easy to use in the truck. Honestly, let's get in there and see what's in this guy.
Let's do it. Let's open it up.
By the way, we pre-cut the tape to make it a little easier. It's for dramatic.
Don't give away the magic, Drew. Come on, this is our magic.
So first and foremost,
it's a birthday card. It was my birthday recently. No, it's looks like we've got manuals, and it's not really a setup. This kind of just explains what the item is, some of the connections, some of the dip switches that we'll see on there, ins and outs, and some of the features. Nice little information card there. We've got a receiver, right? So the box does come complete, but you got the complete kit. So as Drew's breaking it out, you're going to see that we've got the power in the box. We have the transmitter and receiver. This is a single Cat 5, Cat 6 unit that you've got here, so it only needs one Cat 5 or one Cat 6, and it's also POH, so you're going to see that there's actually only one power cable in here that you can set up on one side.
I know it sounds stupid, but one of the things I do enjoy, and this is missing on a lot of things, I do see receiver and transmitter labeled pretty clearly right on the front of the box, man.
Seems like it would be common sense, but they usually don't put that in there.
Common sense is not so common.
Not for me, I can promise you that. What do you got there?
I got a lot of stuff. You got a long way to go, brother.
Yeah.
Let's get this box out of here.
See here. Okay, IR extenders, receivers, emitters, little rubber feet. You got some rubberized feet on here, which is good. This is an IR adapter. So you got a little 3.5 mini plug for the IR port, and some anchors and some screws.
That's cool. So it does come with some dog ears on the side. If you guys can tell here, there are some dog ears on the side of the product. If you did need to mount it on the wall, you could. Anchors and screws are included, which is great. Overall inputs, obviously you've got your Cat 5, Cat 6, you've got your RS-232, and then some dip switches. Just so you guys know, the dip switches are pretty much 100% for the factory to do the software upgrades. And then again on the output side, right, you've got your HDMI and then your 3.5 jacks.
Yeah, I'm not going to pretend to be an expert in this technology, not even to try, but through the research that we've done, just to verify, and the dealers that are purchasing, the nice thing about this, again, being that it's the HDBaseT model, is you've got the 8-bit 4K, 2K, so you've got your HDR, you've got your Dolby Vision, it'll do HDCP 2.2. So when I said it was the only one you need on the van, the reality is so many guys, try to go with the cheaper Baluns, they try to go a distance that they shouldn't, maybe they're pushing some sort of content that they really shouldn't be pushing through that Balun. So this extender is going to really do absolutely everything you could possibly need it to do. And that's why I recommend that you keep at least one of these on the truck.
And troubleshooting, right? When something goes wrong with a black box type item is one of the biggest issues is troubleshooting. Yep. So having something that can do just about everything that you guys get used to and get comfortable with is pretty fantastic.
Yeah. To that point, troubleshooting, right? So the nice thing about Zuum that's worth mentioning is their tech support is 24/7. And the great thing with their 24/7 tech support, if for any reason somebody's not answering at that moment, it's actually going to ring over to the owner's cell phone. So Ryan's getting a phone call at the side of his bed, 24 hours, 7 days a week, doesn't matter.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, so you're going to be taken care of with those guys. They do rush red labels if anything's wrong with it. So, rarely, but it happens. You have a problem, you give those guys a call, they'll take care of it. The other thing worth mentioning is obviously when you're going to use a Balun like this, you want to use some quality HDMI cables. Sure. Right, so that's obviously important. And we should mention the LBL circuitry on here. Right, so you've got these little, this is the LBL circuitry on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Basically stands for little blue lights. So you're good to go. You know exactly what's happening with the device.
That was very fancy.
It bombed. It bombed. Unfortunately, it bombed. Take it from here, Drew.
So overall, I just want to a big shout out and thank you to the guys at Zuum, Ryan, Pete, making sure you guys get us the product that we can show out to the retailers. I know everybody appreciates that. We are going to go ahead and raffle this off. We'll box it up nice.
Sweet.
Eric will throw his little signature on there, make it completely worthless on the street for you guys. But overall, really want to say thank you to those guys. Please leave your dealer number in the comments below. Please remember to subscribe and like if you guys want to see more videos like this. We really appreciate the support you guys give us. Again, thank you to the guys at Zuum, and we'll see you guys next time.
Can I win this as well?
No.
Oh,
Just for you guys.
Good luck.